Architecture and lighting are connected. It helps create an experience for those who occupy a space. Whether it's daylight or artificial light, it draws attention to textures and colors, helping architecture achieve its purpose.
When we developed the TLS over 10 years ago, we had no ideas of the challenges and adventures that were ahead of us.
We originally designed our lighting grid to backlight our visual displays and light boxes.
It was at one of our retail trade shows that we met a lighting designer that was fascinated by our lighting technology. During our conversation, he asked us one question that changed the company dramatically.
Can we take your LEDs out of your light boxes and use it to backlight stretched fabric in a ceiling?
That is when our TLS division was born.
When we started presenting our solutions, it took little time for designers and architects to understand the flexibility of our system and the customizable production capabilities we have to offer.
We opened design possibilities that were not available before by delivering custom projects on time and on budget. My team and I plan to keep innovating and adapting to whatever the future may bring. Let us earn your trust with our technology, capabilities, and innovation. We are TLS.